Congratulations, you made it. It is closing day. So once the paperwork is finalized and all the conditions are met, your lawyer will release the funds to the developer. And just like that, the property is officially and legally yours. Title gets transferred and registered in your name at the Alberta Land Title Registration Office, and your lawyer will send you the land title certificate a few days later to make it all feel real. Keys are handed over during your possession walkthrough on your closing date, which is handled for you if you hired a property management company or are in a rental guarantee program. You will also receive your certificate of possession, confirming that your unit can now be officially occupied. Woohoo! One last thing. Don't forget any post-closing requirements. If you need to submit something like a property management agreement or any other paperwork to qualify for incentives, make sure that you get it in on time, otherwise it will be rejected. The most common item is submitting your first property tax bill to the lawyer if you prepaid property taxes and were later charged by the city. Essentially, you were double charged. The builder will need to reimburse you for this. This is much more common in Ontario, but I have seen it happen in Calgary as well. So when in doubt, check with your lawyer.